4 days aboard the Passion Cruise, Carnival Ecstasy cruise ship with 2 bands, 1 comedian, 2 master DJs, and 1 mega star performing live. It's Singler. Also performing live is Harmony. And also performing live for this one is Olivier Tiren, Jasmine Coulet, and Kenny Demond. With special guest Peshabi, hosted by Shenaneret, with a halftime show by DJ Paz and DJ Drizzle. It's the Passion Cruise, 4 days aboard the Carnival Ecstasy cruise ship from June 8th to June 12th, 2015. Carnival Ecstasy, Miami, Key West, Cozumel, Mexico, aboard the Passion Cruise. To reserve your VIP or RSVP, call 561-352-8568 or 954-856-8020. 4 days aboard the Passion Cruise.